Hello, you. So you can see those clouds, right? Uh, yeah. So this is the kind of ride that it's going to be today. It's going to be rainy. I know that. I have no clue, however, exactly how rainy, if I'm gonna get caught in it. I mean, probably I will. It is summer, but it's May, and with May comes rain, so... But unfortunately, I have to go to uni tomorrow, and I need my bike for that. So I won't have time in the morning because of the morning traffic to get there, I won't have time to fuel up, basically. Also, my apologies if the mic is very shitty. That can be the case. I have no clue if it's too loud or anything. It's very close to my mouth, so I am sorry in advance for any sounds that I did not mean to record. Anyway, so I need to fuel today, and well, the idea was if I go now, maybe I can outrun the rain, but I don't think I will, to be honest. It's looking very menacing, and yeah. It looks very menacing. I know I have to get away from that fast, but I have to be honest that I do not have another choice, and I really need to do this. And at first, I thought, but it's the rain. I like rain, and I genuinely do. I have ridden in the rain before. It's, to me, not that big of a deal. But the only difference between that situation and right now is that I am wearing my summer gear, and that's basically just... Well, let me just say, it won't do anything to hold back the rain. So that's that. So I have to make sure I come back as soon as I can. Do this as quickly as I can. And the idea, which, I mean, my family thought I was crazy for this. I was like, no, I just gotta fuel up, and then if it won't rain, then I'm just gonna go for a ride. Well, spoilers, I think it is going to rain, and I don't think I will be able to go for a ride. So that's why I was filming. I prepared everything to film a video. And then I stepped outside, and my dad just came back from walking the dog. And he pointed at the clouds. He's like, "You're welcome." He pointed at the clouds, and he's like, "Well, you might want to take a look at that." And I realized, oh, well, that's pretty bad. I don't know how well you can see the clouds, if it picks it up all right, but it's bad. So if I'm gonna get caught in the rain, I'm gonna get caught in some heavy rain. By the way, I don't know if this is an interesting thing for any of you, but let's talk about fuel efficiency. The Yamaha R3, mine is from 2018. I doubt that makes a difference though. But it's extremely fuel efficient, unless you ride really offensively instead of defensively. It's gonna be a good ride. So I'm gonna give you some numbers in that I, once I've reached speed limits, have been able to do above 40 kilometers per liter, which is insanely good. And the reason why I say above 40 is because I don't think the counter goes any higher than 40. I don't think it has the digits, it doesn't have the capacity to have it be any higher. I don't know, but 40 is the max I've ever seen. But realistically, in situations, I know that it's been higher than that. So if you're looking for a super efficient, fuel efficient beginner bike, I highly suggest the Yamaha R3, because 40 kilometers per liter is honestly insane. So we got a total energies, I think, to the left. So we have another one to the right. It's the Q. No, it's... Well, let's just see who has the better pricing. 1.8.4. Still 1.8.4. That's okay. That's fine. Nope, no bicycles. Ugh. Right, let's see. Bump one. I hope it's good. what they're offering. I hope it's cheap enough. All right, that was pretty decent. It was, let's see, 16 euros for almost 9 liters. It's still a lot, to be honest, but what can you do? So, it's not actually raining. Which is nice. Which means, I mean, you know what that means. That's a beautiful car right there. Ugh, I love when people drive nice cars. You know, I'm gonna risk a little ride. Right now I'm riding away from the, well, storm, I guess not really from like the clouds. I should be fine. There are circumstances or weather conditions that I'm gonna get stuck in, and I'm gonna have to manage to get home, whether I want to or not. Like, that's just something I'll be forced to do. And that's exactly what happened when I had to ride in the snow. Okay, well, it's a little bit my fault, but the weather app did tell me that there might be snow, but you have to know that in Belgium it's always local, so there's a big chance when it says, oh, it's gonna snow, you know, that it won't. So I had my shift, a late shift, which means that I didn't want to go by bus because it's kind of like buses really late at night. Like, I'm still just a girl, you know. So that was a no-go. I could have gone by foot, but that's kind of the same deal. Like, I still have to pass through the city in the dark on foot. Like, that's just also a no-go. So the only thing I could or really wanted to do was to take the bike. So I did, and well, lo and behold, it started to snow during my shift, and I realized there's nothing I can do. I have to ride through the snow. It was very cold as well. For those who don't know, like, I started my I had my license in December, which is peak winter, and you know, your girl's gonna use her bike as soon as she had it. So yeah, let's just say I've had a bunch of icy experience, but then that's just the way it is. That's how it was, and that's how you learn. Look at those clouds. Ugh, that is insane. Am I gonna ride on through those? That's the question. You know, I honestly have to. Oh, and actually, I did not plan this route really well, but it was the only one I really have left that I haven't really shown on YouTube. But the road you're about to see, so not this one, but like the Steenweg, has these grooves in the road that go like this, and they're like small grooves. I don't know what else to call it. It's just grooves. So there's like small holes basically everywhere in the road and the pavement, and that means that because bikes have round tires, you have a lot less grip on this road, which means, and I've had this happen so many times, when there's like even just a slight wind, because you have so much less grip on the road, you just get whooshed around by the wind. You get whooshed like left to right, and it's no fun. And it's this exact road that I had to ride on all in icy conditions while it was raining and it was super duper like cold. That was not a great idea, and honestly, I never plan on doing that again. So today is a lot different. Today is an icy, it's not cold, and it's not raining yet. But I still have to do this if I want to go home. So it's this road I'm about to turn on right now. So it's this one right here. I doubt that the camera will pick that up, but you also have these grooves where you have to ride over really quickly because they can catch your wheel too. Honestly, this is the most biker unfriendly road I've ever ridden on, and unfortunately I have to use it a bunch of times. So anyway, I have yapped enough for today. I am honestly happy to have made this video. I know it's a bit short, but I did enjoy making this so much. And so if you enjoyed, let me know. Like, comment something about your bike, comment something about your future bike, anything really. So I mean, yeah, I just hope you enjoy. And I've done some other videos. I mean, not tons. I have a few other videos that you can watch. I'm really new to this, so any feedback would be nice, both in making the video as well as anything really. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope you have a very nice day still. Yeah, that's it. Bye bye.